Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you this, but the sad news is the speaker does not work, so I will have to do repairs on this to replace the speaker, since once the speaker blows out, that's kind of permanent though. So yeah, this is the snowman we have here. This is a singing snowman that sings either Let It Snow or I think that's the song he sings. His eyes, not his eyes, but his cheeks light up. Said it wrong. Yeah, so this is the snowman right here. This is the side of him. This is the back. And this is gonna be the other side. Yeah, it's got a battery compartment in the back. This is the tag right there. DanDee is the company that made this. I'm gonna show the other sides of this tag real quick. I'm unsure of the year. I think 2010 though. I've had this since I was a little kid though. So yeah, I've had this for a super long time. Okay, let's see how it works. Glowing cheeks that light up red. I'm gonna make sure it doesn't fall. Let's turn it off and see it light up. I'm just putting my hand in front of it to make it as dark as I can, but that's what I got today, so please subscribe for more content.